Superfood recipe number 5, mango salsa.
Mangoes are considered a superfood due to their impressive nutritional profile and health benefits. Here are 6 of the reasons why mangoes are considered a superfood. Mangoes are a rich source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and folate. Mangoes are also packed with antioxidants, which help to protect your body from harmful free radicals that can cause damage to your cells and contribute to chronic diseases. As said before, mangoes are a good source of vitamin C, which is essential for immune system function. Vitamin C helps to stimulate the production of white blood cells, which play a key role in fighting off infections. Mangoes are a good source of fiber, which can help to improve digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Some studies suggest that consuming mangoes may help to lower cholesterol levels, which can reduce the risk of heart disease. And finally, mangoes contain compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties, which may help to reduce inflammation in the body and prevent chronic diseases.
The ingredients. Pause the video here for a moment. Chop mangoes and vegetables to whatever size you prefer. Some like it chunky, some like it not so chunky. Now, mix everything along with chopped jalapeno and cilantro. Taste and adjust. Very important. It's not tangy enough? Add a bit more lime juice. Not flavorful enough? Add a dash of salt. Lack the kick? It needs more jalapenos. Taste and adjust, always.